It's almost hard to remember when cars had one speaker in the dash, nothing more than AM radio, or when radio delete was an option sometimes checked off by the buyer of a new car. Today, a car without a stereo is unheard of, and the number of speakers can sometimes exceed 20 or more. While that may be uncommon, access to your favorite music is everywhere, and with all the audio options at our fingertips, most of us can find something to listen to, meaning the speakers in a car see just as many miles as the engine itself. But you can put your favorite tunes aside because today's audio systems utilize speakers for more than just music. Phones connected via Bluetooth, navigation systems, emergency systems, and even operational sounds such as turn signals all utilize the speakers and audio systems in today's cars. Even though speakers have always been a common replacement item, both as a repair or an upgrade, they are far more important today as an integral part of vehicle operation. Luckily, when it comes to replacement, you don't need to be an audiophile to get the correct one. Many speakers are a vehicle-specific custom fit and often pre-mounted in a specific shape housing to fit in the dash or on a door. These are simply replaced by application, just as any other auto parts. For older vehicles, stereo upgrades, or applications that aren't vehicle-specific, there are ultimately only a few common sizes available, mostly in round or oval, and if it fits without interfering with any other components, then it will work. It's as simple as that. However, you have to be sure the speaker is compatible with the stereo head unit or amplifier. Traditionally, automotive speakers were rated at 4 ohms impedance compared to 8 ohms impedance for home audio systems. While this is still common, there are more options in today's vehicles, so this is not always true as it once was. Car stereos don't have the same power supply as home stereos, so the lower impedance speakers require less power to operate to develop the same output. In other words, the lower impedance speaker requires less power to be just as loud. When you replace a speaker, if you use a higher impedance speaker, you won't be able to produce the same volume. If you use a lower impedance speaker, it will be louder, but it can cause the head unit or amplifier to overheat. So just remember to always match the new speaker impedance to the old. Thanks for watching.